This video tutorial discusses how to use filter feature for Creo closed bugs in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Streamline your bug management with Punditas AI's efficient bug tracking and intuitive filtering features. Make informed decisions, simplify workflows, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Avoid errors and save time with precise filters tailored to your release requirements. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, merge feature. Punditas AI-based insights engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes closed bugs, workarounds, open bugs and reference documents for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references and partner. 176 search results for merge feature are displayed, of which 33 search results pertaining to Creo closed bugs. Now let's explore the 33 closed bugs available for merge feature. To access the Creo closed bugs filter feature, simply expand or open the side navigation bar by clicking the arrow button or click on the filter button. The left pane allows you to filter search results. The left pane allows users to filter Creo closed bugs by reported release and resolved release. As shown in the picture, the data table displays information related to the search topic, merge feature, for all the reported and resolved releases. For example, using the filter feature, the user searched for a closed bug that was reported in Creo 6.0 and resolved in Creo 8.0. Out of 33 closed issues, the filter narrowed down the results to display the exact closed issue matching the specified reported and resolved release. Efficiently manage closed Creo bugs with Punditas AI Advisor's filter. Streamline workflows and make informed decisions using intuitive filtering. Improve collaboration and reduce errors with precise release filters. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.